Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to dissolve Annatto seeds, full guide. Heat oil gently and add seeds to release color and flavor. Keep heat low to avoid burning and stir constantly until the oil turns a vivid orange red. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh or cheesecloth to remove solids. Use the colored oil for sautéing or stews, or blend seeds with warm water to make a paste for marinades. In this video, I will explain how to dissolve Annatto seeds, full guide. For bold color and flavor, gently heat seeds in oil until the oil turns orange and then strain. For a lighter extract, soak crushed seeds in warm water and steep for several minutes before straining. Both extracts are versatile for marinades, rice, and sauces. Always taste as you go and store extracts in the refrigerator for several days. In this video, I will review how to dissolve Annatto seeds, full guide. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for saving your colored oil or leftover marinades without spills. They stack neatly, keep flavors separate, and make meal prep less messy, which is great when you work with vibrant extracts. If you want to grab a set, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with dissolving Annatto seeds, full guide. Keep the flame low, never leave oil unattended, and avoid overheating to prevent bitter notes. Use a spoon to test color intensity and stop when you reach the preferred hue. If you plan to store extracts, cool them quickly, strain well, and refrigerate in a sealed container. Reheat gently or use cold in sauces and dressings for lasting flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.